In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a Bill.com account. This is a straightforward process, and by the end, you will be able to move confidently through your dashboard and start getting your billing and payments organized. First, go to the Bill.com sign-up page. When you open your browser, type in Bill.com and look for the official site. Once you are on the home page, find the option that takes you to account creation. You want to make sure you are on the correct sign-up page before you begin entering any business information, because it ensures the rest of the setup will work smoothly. This button is usually located in the top right corner of the homepage, and it may say either Get Started or Sign Up, depending on the version of the site. Take a moment to locate it clearly, then click it once. This will move you to the onboarding screen where you can start providing your business details. Now you will enter your business name, email address, and contact information. On the sign-up form, look for fields that ask for your business name and your preferred email address. Make sure the email address you enter is one that you can access, since you may receive confirmation and setup messages there. Then fill in the contact information the form requests, such as the person or role responsible for managing the account. Use accurate details so your account is set up correctly from the beginning. After you have provided those basics, input your business information as requested. This portion of the form usually includes items like your industry, your company size, and your billing address. These fields help Bill.com tailor the setup to your organization and ensure your account is configured in the right way. If you are unsure about any selection, choose the option that most closely matches how your business operates. For the billing address, enter it carefully and double-check spelling and formatting so there are no issues later. Once you have completed all required fields, click Get Started. This is the next key action, and it tells Bill.com to proceed with creating your account using the information you entered. Before clicking, do a quick review. Scan the form to confirm that the business name, contact details, and address are correct. When everything looks right, click the button once and wait for the next screen to load. At this point, you are ready to navigate your dashboard. After the setup process finishes, you should see a dashboard interface that is designed to help you manage tasks and workflows. Spend a moment getting oriented. Look for the main navigation areas and any introductory messages that guide you through what to do next. This is where you will typically access settings, connect relevant details, and manage incoming or outgoing requests, depending on how you plan to use Bill.com. If you follow these steps in order, you will have a fully created Bill.com account and the ability to move forward with your billing and payment operations. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.